My name is Joe Bucciero. I'm a 3L in law school, but I've been here for 4 years because I'm doing the JD MBA program over at the business school. So one of the things I've been able to do is work for a law firm through the business school, and I wouldn't have been able to do that just through the law school. So it's helped me gain corporate law experience that I wouldn't have been able to have if I wasn't doing the program. Everyone I spoke to before coming to law school and as a 1L advised me that it would be a good idea to get an MBA as well because of the finance classes that you can take and the emphasis on business strategy that is directly applicable to actions you take in litigation. Both of those things are studied heavily in the business school and not so much in the law school. So I think having them both together really gives you an advantage in terms of planning out cases and understanding what your clients want in terms of their balance sheet and what they're doing with their companies and why they're moving them around. The classes do not overlap, so there's that. The business school is on a quarter system, so you have 2 classes in the time that you have 1 law school class, which generally means that your law school classes seem rather slow and your business school classes seem pretty quick, but overall it means that the transition's relatively easy. The culture is much different. So in the law school, the emphasis is individual work and reading through your case books. In the business school, it's a lot more about finding people with skills that you need to complete the tasks, because more often than not, you're not going to have the marketing knowledge or the finance knowledge or the statistics knowledge that you're going to need to complete a project. So being able to do both is very important, especially once you join a law firm and you may know a lot about corporate tax but know next to nothing about the family law issue that was raised in your case. So you have to find another lawyer with those skills and be able to communicate your problem to them and get a solution from them that you can add and present to your client. One really great class is Werther's strategy class because he forces you to think about things in a different way. He uses a lot of war analogies and car and beer sale analogies, but those are applicable to what you do in litigation. So rather than attacking your opponent's strongest point, sometimes you can attack that strong point or outflank them and talk about something else. The other class that was very useful is Robert Plant's computer information class, because right now the way that the legal world is looking, lawyers don't have the skills that they need in data and e-discovery and things like that. So having an overview from him of the tools that you can use and the systems you'll be using once you join a law firm or are doing work for a law firm is very helpful.